Today, we're in front of David Lawson's brand new EV charging center right here in downtown Riverton, a major step forward for clean transportation. Wow, this place looks amazing. You can see how much work went into it. What made you decide to convert over to EV charging?
Well, when we realized the property was going to need a major renovation, we decided to take a look at including a fast charging center for electric vehicles.
Everything here looks incredible, but the key question is, when did OneMonroe get involved to help make this EV charging center possible?
It all started with a government subsidy, and with BABA compliance required, OneMonroe became an essential partner.
That's pretty cool. Can you share a little more about how that process works with OneMonroe?
To meet the BABA requirements, we teamed OneMonroe with our general contractor to ensure we sourced as many US-made components as possible.
So there you have it. With a trusted partner like OneMonroe, sourcing US-made products to meet government requirements becomes a reality.